Hello everyone and welcome back to another chapter of RWBY Volume 9, Chapter 5, The Parfait Predicament. We need to get ourselves, I guess, back to normal sizes, so without any further ado, let's jump into this one.
I'm so glad the four of you are still the four of you. Not always the case in the ever after.
Okay.
You're the one who ditched us in the first place. Which, by the way, was how we ended up in that mushroom house to begin with. You know, where that delirious caterpillar guy tried to drug us and then was swallowed up by a freaking hole in the ground?
Yes. Alex had a similar reaction the first time she saw someone return to the ever after. But it's not how it seems. Well, I suppose it is. But not the way you think, if you think like Alex. Which it seems like you do.
Let's continue.
We're here.
Wow. Damn, this is beautiful. Are you guys? Yeah.
So, Cat, going to explain to us how a giant caterpillar disappearing into a hole isn't how it seems?
When we break or wear out or simply finish what we were made to do, we're called back. But Herb, his heart was too weak to listen. So I gave him a little bit of mine.
Is he dead?
Oh, no. Well, maybe a little bit. But not at all.
Ugh, which is it?
Now that Herb's properly returned, he'll be fixed up nice and made into the Herb he wanted to be when he was still Herb. Then he'll come back and find his purpose. Could be the same as before, or maybe not.
When Herb comes back, will he remember anything?
What would be the point of that? Just like Alex, you lot. I know, where you're from, things die. But we're just not like you at all. We ascend. Herb will have a purpose again.
That's impossible. Things have to die someday. Right?
Well, goodness, no. Though I suppose there is a creature. No. That's not the sort of thing you talk about in polite company.
What?
Get your
Wait.
hot, fresh
So,
right out of...
what happened to Herb? Is that what happened to the king?
Come on, try our mud cookies. They're delicious. You don't want
It was all very sad. The Red King couldn't cope when he lost to Alex. A crying mess. Thankfully, he was called back and fixed up. And now he's the prince you met.
Fixed up.
Oh.
The prince was worse.
The prince isn't supposed to be nice. He's meant to play the game and win. No matter what.
So, that's why he cheats, when the Red King didn't. But that still doesn't explain why the Red Prince was so much meaner.
While the prince may not remember Alex's deception after ascending, the heart very rarely forgets.
But there was nothing about Ascension in the story.
Of course not! Exposition is terribly boring. Even this conversation was, on the whole, rather tedious.
I wonder what else Alex left out.
Well, to make a Grogut parfait, one needs a bushel of grumpy ivy, one good-sized spicy potato, the lint off a griffin's sweater. Ethel's dragons and more should have that, which is right next to...
I'll never remember all of that.
I can procure those. But there's another ingredient we must have that's only available on the 3rd level. Some nose hair from a leprechaun. What if you retrieve that while I go get the rest?
Sure, I guess so.
Wonderful. Look for the teapot lady. She'll have it. Now off you go.
Guess I'd better go with the cat so they don't get distracted by a shiny doorknob and never come back.
I'll go with you.
Get me as far away as possible from any nose hairs, please.
I'll go with you, Ruby.
She's going alone
Nice
Or-
try, kitty.
with mouse.
But we're coming along.
Onward!
Will she sleep again?
Teapot lady, teapot lady,
Not creepy at all.
Does that one interest you?
I thought this was lost forever. How do you have it?
Nothing. No one is ever truly lost. And what of you? Are you lost?
No,
Is she a robot?
my friends went somewhere else.
You're doing this all alone?
Ruby, I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Are you her guide, little one?
Yes, Ruby is my friend, and I want to help her get home. Even though I don't know where that is or how to get there.
You seem to be carrying a rather large burden with you.
I'm fine. I can handle it.
Can
If
you?
you change your mind, you may choose any one of these you like. And set your burden down.
I already have a weapon. I did.
And yet, here you are, searching for something else that you do not even know.
Is that her mother's weapon?
Ruby? Who are you talking to? Did you retrieve the nose hair?
Come on, try our mud cookies. They're delicious. You don't want to miss them.
No, not just yet, but
Ruby, come on. We got everything else.
I'm sorry.
Is that the teapot lady?
Best mud cookies you've ever had.
Welcome to Berries and Things. How can I help you?
Looking for nose hairs? No, not the ogre ones.
Jesus.
Woohoo! A festival!
Jabberwalker! It's a Jabberwalker!
Or not.
Danger.
Wait, please! We need those leprechaun nose hairs!
No time!
Here, I'll give you this. It carries a mother's promise.
Take it!
This is exceedingly bad.
Wait, what's a Jabberwalker?
It's a truly terrible creature. If the Jabberwalker eats one of us, we do not ascend.
Okay.
We make the parfait thing!
Toss everything in here. But be careful. Eat too much and we'll have to shrink you back again. And that's a completely different potion.
wasn't enough.
Okay. Oh, this thing again. Oh no. Now he will become bigger?
No!
Run!
What's he doing here?
I gave him something new to do for the moment. Now go! Your friends need to get big again, or we're Jabberwalker dinner!
Did the cat motivate the bird to fight? Oh. Hello.
Arrested Knight.
Get the parfait!
Damn. Is this like deer and rabbit?
Finally.
Ruby, follow me!
Nice.
I said I wasn't done with you yet!
I thought we don't have dust anymore. Jesus.
Neo?
That was just illusion.
What? There's only supposed to be one.
Oh.
What? Run! This way!
Ruby, come on!
Go! We'll hold them off!
I'm so tired of leaving places in ashes.
I can't believe it.
Is that Jaune?
The Arrested Knight. In person.
What is that sword?
You did good, Juniper. Team RWBY. You finally made it.
Okay. Should I take that when Jaune fell, he like came into this world much earlier? Really not sure what should I take this. Like, is this our Jaune? Normally I work on logic, right? And certainly so far this whole volume doesn't have that. It's just a fairy tale, but I'm not sure to what extent. So, is this our Jaune? Or is this Jaune from like way before? But that wouldn't make sense. So, given that they know who is the Rusted Knight, I assume that, I mean, this particular fella should be many years old. Ancient, I guess, I'm not sure. And, well, I mean, it definitely looks like a grown-up Jaune, so, so many questions. I'm not sure if I even want the answer to the question. Is Jaune, like, is Jaune gonna be alright? Is he gonna return with us or not? And definitely we see that Neo's powers definitely work really great now. So she made a lot of those particular creatures. And when they devour, you cannot return. Well, that's definitely she got the most broken creature and make duplicates out of them. Okay, that's gonna be great. Well, at least we are back to normal size. Whatever RWBY had in this particular chapter again. Not sure if that was actually her mother's weapon, but yeah, that was definitely some crazy illusion or a memory. I'm not even sure what was that. Random blacksmith with weapons. So yeah, thank you for checking this one out. If you want, you can explain some things in the comments below, but don't put any spoilers in, please. So I guess I will just continue, I mean, with the story, right? But I don't know. God damn. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that bell for notifications to be informed of my next reactions, gameplays, reviews, and other things you guys put in the comments below for me to check out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. And now a special thank you to Deezer, Gaimelev, and Panda Free for additional support on my Patreon.